In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new page and set it as the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your site. First, open Google Sites in your web browser. If you're signed in, you'll land on the site's home where you can see your projects. Look for the Recent Sites section. This area shows the sites you've worked on most recently, which makes it quick to jump back in without hunting through folders. From there, click the site you want to work on. If you're following along with a sample site, open that one. This will take you straight into the site editor where you can make your changes. Once inside the editor, move your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see tabs like Insert, Pages, and Themes. Select the Pages tab. This is where the structure of your site lives, and it's where you'll manage what appears in your navigation and, importantly, which page serves as your home page. Before you add a new page, make sure the top level of the site is selected in the page list so your new page is created at the right level. With that highlighted, click the plus icon to create a new page. A small prompt will appear asking for the page name. Type in a clear, simple name for your landing page. Something like Home or Landing works well. Short names look cleaner in your navigation and help visitors understand where they are. After the page is created, locate it in the Pages panel. Next to the page name, click the three-dot menu to open more options. From that menu, choose Set as Home Page. This tells Google Sites that this page is the default starting point for your visitors. Behind the scenes, it updates the site's routing, so anyone who goes to your site's main address lands on the page you just created. That's it. You've opened Google Sites, accessed your recent work, entered the editor, switched to the Pages panel, created a new page with a clear name, and set it as the home page. A quick tip as you move forward, keep your landing page focused. A concise headline, a brief description, and a single clear call to action typically work best. And if you create subpages later, always double check that your landing page remains set as the home page so your visitors start in the right place. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your site's first impression.